They are cutting through the tape to get to the juicy wooden insides. Right now, they're having trouble cutting the tape through the foam. The younger female is still trying to get through the tape. This is a lot of layers of tape. They've broken through the top layer. They're peeling off the middle areas and cutting the tape there. Ooh. They're getting aggressive with the tape now. Oh boy. This is a wild experience. This only happens once in a lifetime. This is the second one.
It only happens once in a lifetime. It's the second one.
They're unfolding the wild skin of the beast. Oh, they've made it to the last layer. The paper wrapped in duct tape.
Paper wrapped in duct tape.
They've gotten through with the foam. They cut the tape. Oh, they're going rabid on that paper. They're cutting the tape. They're unfolding it. They've torn it. They have no lack of care for the paper. They've taken out the wild beast. It's hidden inside with its glorious wooden...
Where's the lid?
They've gotten to the juicy insides, and the juicy insides have found the perfect lid that will be stuck on there until one of the females removes it to put stuff inside or take it out. This is a wild experience. And now they're side by side. One will take the other. Only one of the mothers and daughters can have one. Who will get the biggest? It's a fight. Tune in for the second episode to see who gets the bigger mason jar thing. Dun dun dun.